everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Today we're opening up the July Vellabox, and I'm super excited because, like I probably always say every time I open this, I am in need of more candles because I love candles so much, and I tend to have them burning all the time at my house. So Vellabox always comes in this yellow box, so you always know when it arrives when you see that yellow color in your mailbox. I love Vellabox. I've been getting it for years. So there's different tiers, so you can get, there's 3 different subscription options that range from $10 to $30. I get the $30 one. So the $10 one, you get 1 4-ounce candle. In the $20 subscription, you get 1 8-ounce candle. And then in the $30 one, which I get, you get both candles. And in all of the boxes, you get like a free goodie each month, so that is super great. And the candles always come in these beautiful, like, canvas reusable drawstring bags. So we'll see what we got, what design it is this month soon. They're so cute, like, love them. So I do have a promo code for you to save $5 on whatever subscription you choose. So I will link Vellabox down below along with my code if you're interested. So yeah, let's get started and see what scents I got this month. I kind of match it, I'm wearing yellow. Oh, perfect for July. When I open it, this is what I see. Look at the bags are blue with white stars. And then there's always like a little piece of paper with a quote on it, which I think is super sweet. It says, "Landed the free because of the brave." And then there's like a picture that reminds me of like the Air and Water show. I used to see that in Chicago. They would come right by my window when I lived downtown. So let's start with the smaller one. Oh, and I should grab the piece of paper that's underneath here. So here's the small candle and here is the large, both with matching bags. And then we have our bonus item, and here is a card. This comes every month, and it gives you some information about where your candles are from and also the specific candles you received. So it looks like our candles are from Harper and Ari, and this is based out of Indianapolis, Indiana. And it says, "The Scoop. Harper and Ari is a small batch apothecary based in Indianapolis. All their products are carefully crafted by hand to produce a unique collection of aromatic products, including exfoliating sugar cubes, lotions, and candles." Awesome. So let's like leave this right next to me to reference for the candles. There's cats all around me right now. I'm like, what are you getting up to? No eating my plants today. All right, so here is the first one. Oh my gosh. And I see the word lemon, and I love lemon scents and taste, everything lemon. And there's the back of it. I think this labeling is so cute. Look how there's like a little triangle on there. So, oh my god, it smells so good. Smell-o-vision. Alright, so fragrance notes: tart lemon, sugar, and vanilla cream. It seriously smells so good you could eat it, but I don't advise that you eat your candle. The Scoop. Not your typical citrus, a unique blend of tart lemon with a creamy complex addition to create a comforting and cozy lemon. Reminds us of early summer mornings and brings a sense of joy and brightness to your space. I really do love like citrus scents, especially lemon, for like, it really does make me feel like more awake and uplifted. And I feel like that right now, smelling it. It smells so good. You know what I'm doing right after this video? Lighting this baby up, unless this one takes the winner. Let's see, the crown. These bags are such good quality. Like, definitely always keep them. All right, the next one is coconut, and it has the same design, just a different color. I like how they do that, and I love this design. I love the triangle on there. Awesome. Oh my god, this smells so good too. So good. I love getting these candles. I've like never been disappointed that I can remember. If you guys have watched all my videos, have I ever been disappointed? I always think they smell so good. And I've had candles like from other companies or like other places that I didn't like, so it's not like I like everything, even though I am like more of a lover than a hater. But coconut fragrance notes are sweet vanilla and rum, zested lime, and creamy coconut. The Scoop. Create the perfect atmosphere with this creamy and comforting coconut scent that warms up your space and transports you to memories of vacations past. It's so true that coconut scent really does make you think of like the beach and like tropical places. Like pretty much live in the tropics, or I do, so now it's starting to remind me of home. I love it. Awesome. I like both of these so much. I think I might like lemon the most just because I like love lemon, but I love coconut too, so I'm so happy with both. Here you can like see the size difference. I'm so happy with these. Yay. So let's look at the extra goodies. We got some lip balm, and this is by All Good, and this is coconut, and it's certified organic lip balm, USDA organic. It's always nice to have lip balms. Pretty sure we can all agree on that. So, All Good bonus gift, certified organic coconut lip balm. This comes from Morro Bay, California. And it says, all natural, cruelty-free skincare products inspired by wilderness and wellness. Reef-friendly, great, gluten-free and oxybenzone-free. So that's great. It's good for our reefs, good for us. Who doesn't love a good lip balm? Oh, hi, Emmy. So, cats are everywhere and they're so cute. So yeah, that was the Vellabox for July. I am super happy with it. I love this box. Like I said, I've been getting it forever, and my mom has been getting it forever. We signed up at the same time years ago, and we're still getting it. So yeah, that says something. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!